If you don't, you're going to get in trouble, right? The feds will come after you. You stay in that property for a year, and then bang, you move. You go ahead and put a tenant in your spot, get even more cash flow, and then bang, do the FHA loan again and move into another property. That's a foolproof plan.
There's a book called Set for Life by Scott. He's part of Bigger Pockets. He goes through the whole plan for you as well, from being a actual worker to invest in real estate to coming on of that, and also as well, once you go on that path, you can have cash flow coming for you from 4 properties.
Yeah,
so it's pretty dope.
And you can do that FHA thing for a couple of times. And here's the other thing: by the time you do it 4 times, by the time you do it like on your second or third property, you're probably going to be able to pull equity from one of your properties, right? Because remember, you live in each property for a year.
Yep.
That's a considerable amount of time where you've built equity in that first home, right? So let's say you do it 3 times. By the time you get into your third home, you probably have some equity built up in the first one you bought, and you have tenants paying you cash flow, and you're saving money. So you pull the equity out, and then you can make a full 20 to 25% down payment on an investment property if you don't want to move again, because I know moving is annoying and a lot of people don't like doing that.
And for some of you with a job, those 4 properties could probably cover your income monthly.
Yeah. You'll be able to probably, like, if you're making like $50K a year, whatever it is like that, you'll probably be able to like quit your job, bro, and do this full time.